Hey, my Legion, how y'all doing today? I'm here today to review all natural freeze-dried pear crisps. This is from Nature's place called Nature's Turn. And whenever they switched over my Family Dollar to like a Family Dollar half Dollar Tree store, uh, going into the checkout line on one side, I saw these. And they had these and the banana ones. Now I don't see any pear ones now. I just see all banana ones. So glad I got these. Now it says what's freeze dried. We clean, slice, and freeze freshly picked fruit. Next, over 9% of the water is evaporated in a vacuum chamber. Freeze dried fruit is inspected and moved into air and moisture proof packages to retain nutrition and freshness. This simple drying process creates a crispy, light, nutritious snack ideal for on the go and delicious in cereal, smoothies, etc. Ingredients pears. Duh. It says 100% fruit, and that's the only ingredient pears. 100% fruit, no sugar added, no added preservatives. Certified kosher, non GMO, vegan, algae free facility. And people who would say I don't do any vegans. There you go, it's vegan right here. You know, no allergen free stuff. It's all free of peanut, tree nut, dairy, egg, soy, gluten free. Each bag equals 2 pears. Okay, keep in a cool, dried place. So let's go and open them up. And date on this is June 27th, 2020, so we still have plenty of time to review it. Open it up. Kind of smells like pears. Kind of. These two pieces stuck together. It's so good. I'm sure you heard me a long time ago talking about the old school MREs when I was in the Army. And you used to have, well, you see now in the modern MREs, that big vacuum sealed square thing that has crackers in it. Well, this time they had big those same type of packages, the same shape, but the cracker was dehydrated peaches or pears, and they were fantastic. They really were. I like these very much. They're really good. There we go. And give the all natural freeze dried pear crisps from Nature's Turn a 9 out of 10. So hope you like this video. Bye. Until next time, please